Today I want to share with you a powerful technique called segment intending. This technique will help you gain clarity on your desires and manifest them in every moment, attracting everything you desire into your life. Today's video will explain the principles, steps, and applications of segment intending, empowering you to experience fulfillment and endless joy in every second of your life. Let's dive in and learn how to manifest your ideal life. What is segment intending?
Segment intending is a method for attracting and creating the experiences you desire by focusing on your present moment intentions. By setting goals for different segments of your life, you can step-by-step manifest your desires.
The principles of segment intending.
Your experiences are created by you. Your thoughts attract what you desire. Setting goals in different life segments allows you to focus your attention and attract your desires more effectively.
Steps of segment intending.
1. Identify your life segments. Be present in each moment. 2. Set goals for each segment. In each experience, take time to clarify what you truly desire. This can be anything, from your career goals to the lunch you want to eat. 3. Focus on your goals and emit strong thoughts. Once you know what you want, concentrate on it. Visualize yourself already having it and feel the emotions of possessing it. 4. Believe it will manifest. Trust that what you envision is possible, and the universe will support you in achieving it.
Using segment intending for a perfect day.
Before going to sleep, set the intention to completely relax your body and wake up feeling energized. When you wake up in the morning, set the intention to plan your day effectively and greet the new day with enthusiasm. While preparing breakfast, set the intention to choose the most nourishing food for your physical body and enjoy the process of eating. When driving, set the intention to arrive at your destination safely and maintain a positive mood. By taking time throughout the day to identify your true desires, state your wishes, and set expectations, you take control of your experiences through the power of attraction. You will no longer be a victim. There are no victims in the world or unconsciously attract unwanted experiences.
The effects of segment intending.
Helps you gain clarity on your desires, enhances your focus and allows you to emit stronger thoughts, aids in attracting what you desire.
Considerations for segment intending.
Avoid setting too many goals at once to prevent confusion. Stay focused on your goals and emit strong thoughts. Believe in your creative power and maintain a positive attitude towards the outcome.
Applications of segment intending in life.
Relationships. When interacting with others, use segment intending to determine what you want to achieve from the conversation. For instance, you might want to inspire them or understand their perspective. Work. While working, use segment intending to focus on your tasks and enhance your productivity. You might aim to complete a project before the deadline or impress your clients. Personal goals. When working towards personal goals, use segment intending to stay focused and motivated. For example, you might want to lose weight or learn a new skill.
Advanced applications. How to prioritize goals.
At any given moment, you cannot think of all your goals simultaneously, but you may have multiple goals related to that moment. For example, while interacting with your partner, you want to communicate clearly, feel happy, make your partner happy, and influence your partner. Solution. Identify the most important goals and focus your attention on them.
How to overcome doubt about your desires.
Many people face a challenge when using segment intending. They set goals but doubt their ability to achieve them. This weakens their belief and hinders their progress. To overcome this doubt, follow these steps. Reflect on past successes. Think about goals you set and achieved in the past. These successes demonstrate your ability to achieve goals and boost your confidence. Break down your goals into smaller steps. If a goal feels overwhelming, break it down into smaller steps. This makes it easier to focus and make progress. Share your goals with others. Sharing your goals with others can provide you with support and encouragement. This can help you stay motivated and overcome challenges. Focus on the process, not the outcome. Don't just focus on the end result. Pay attention to the process of achieving your goal. During the process, you can continuously adjust your strategies and methods, gaining valuable experience.
Should I constantly restate my desired goals?
While restating what's important to you can be helpful at any moment, You don't need to constantly repeat your goals. Once you set a safe goal and feel safe with it, you can continue attracting safety from that perspective. Only when you feel less safe should you reinforce the desire for safety.
Will segment intending hinder spontaneous responses?
Segment intending prevents you from reacting unconsciously, but enhances your ability to respond thoughtfully. As long as you can spontaneously attract what you desire, spontaneous responses are harmless. However, if you unconsciously attract what you don't want, spontaneous responses can be a hindrance. Regardless, we believe it's beneficial to create consciously rather than unconsciously. Point. Doesn't hinder spontaneous responses. Allows you to respond more thoughtfully.
The delicate balance between desire and belief.
The balanced equation of creation is wanting and allowing. It can also be said as wanting and expectation, or thinking and expectation. If you want something and believe you can achieve it, you have fulfilled the balance, and that thing will become yours. If your desire for something is very strong, but you doubt your ability to get it, that thing won't be yours, at least not now, because you must first align your desire with your belief.
How to choose the right action.
Imagine yourself taking action. Feel your emotions. Imagine choosing option. Note down your feelings. Imagine choosing option B. Down your feelings. Your feelings will guide you towards the right choice.
Unsure about your feelings?
First, take time to clarify your goals and priorities. Imagine the feeling of achieving your goal and choose the action that brings you the most positive feelings. Your emotional guidance system will help you make the most suitable decision. Point. Imagine the feelings of taking action and choose the most appropriate action based on your feelings.
How long will it take to see evidence manifest?
When you set goals and have expectations, evidence will start to appear. You will see others achieving similar goals. This will strengthen your belief and make you more confident in achieving your own goals. Evidence appearing in various aspects. You'll find yourself thinking about your goals often and feeling excited. Feeling happy when you think about your goals. These are signs that the universe is responding to you, indicating that your goals are on their way to manifestation. The creation process mostly happens on the vibrational level. The more energy you invest, aligning your thoughts and desires, the faster the creation will be completed. Before you see concrete evidence, the creation might be 99% complete. So, stay patient and positive, and you'll see results soon.
How does the segmentation technique help in co-creation?
When you master the segmentation technique, your desires become stronger, and your influence becomes more potent. This means, when interacting with others, they will more easily understand your ideas. You can bring out the best in others.
How to do it?
Anticipate that others will perform exceptionally well, and believe that they will bring you assistance. Spend time reinforcing your thoughts before meeting others. Results. Both you and others will be satisfied with the results of co-creation.
How can we overcome the influence of old beliefs and habits?
Focus on the present moment and experience joy. Do not try to discard old thoughts because doing so will only remind you of them. Guide your thoughts to make yourself feel happy. Today, no matter what you do, focus on the things you want to see. Most importantly, feel happy.
What role does competition play in goal setting?
In the universe of creation, there is no competition. Everyone has more than enough resources to fulfill their needs. The only value of competition is to stimulate people's desires. Winners are usually those who are most clear about what they want. Those who have the deepest expectations. Don't be afraid of competition. Let it motivate you to pursue your dreams.
How do we handle unexpected interference?
When you master the segmentation technique, interference becomes less and less frequent. Even when faced with interference, don't worry. The key to handling interference: tell yourself, interference is temporary and will not affect my thoughts. Believe that the power of your thoughts will not weaken. Efficiently address the problem and get back on track.
How can we maintain the effectiveness of the segmentation technique?
The segmentation technique is an effective tool to help you achieve your goals. However, to maintain its effectiveness, you need to practice it consistently. Here are some tips to maintain the effectiveness of the segmentation technique. Practice the segmentation technique every day. Take some time each day to contemplate your goals and set intentions for each segment of your life. Pay attention to your feelings. Your feelings can help you understand your beliefs and what you desire. If your feelings are negative, it indicates a need to adjust your beliefs or goals. Be grateful for your progress. Regardless of how small your progress is, appreciate it. This can help you maintain motivation and keep moving forward. Don't give up. Achieving goals takes time and effort. Don't give up on your goals, even if you encounter setbacks.
Practice. Carry a small notebook with you and write down your intentions when entering new segments. Writing down your intentions helps you focus your attention. With consistent practice, you'll be able to recognize new segments more quickly and expect positive outcomes. Your segments of life are unique. Each person's segments of life are different, and each day brings changes. With consistent practice, in just a few days, you'll be able to recognize new segments more easily and notice your intentions more quickly. Soon, you'll be able to expect positive outcomes in all segments of your day. The segmentation technique can help you achieve your goals and create the life you desire. I hope these insights can assist you in better understanding and implementing the segmentation technique. Want to learn more in-depth knowledge of the law of attraction, self-improvement, spiritual growth, practical techniques and exercises? Subscribe and turn on the bell. Don't miss our new video and challenges. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are interested in unlocking their manifestation abilities. Stay positive, keep believing, and manifest your dreams into reality. Until next time, take care.